In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoices in Zoho Books 2025. Whether you're a seasoned Zoho Books user or just getting started, exporting your invoices is an essential task that you'll likely need to perform at some point. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho website. Open up your browser and type in zoho.com. Here, you'll find all the cloud software tools Zoho has to offer, designed to enhance your business operations. But for today, our focus is specifically on Zoho Books. Once you've landed on the Zoho homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have those ready to ensure a smooth sign-in process. After successfully signing in, you'll be redirected to the Zoho homepage. From here, navigate to the Zoho Books application. If you have multiple Zoho products, you might see a list, but just look for the Zoho Books icon and click on it. This will take you to the Zoho Books dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Now that you're at the Zoho Books dashboard, you'll want to focus on the Invoices section. You can find this option on the left-hand pane of your dashboard. Click on Invoices, and you'll be taken to a list of all your invoices. This is where you can view, manage, and, most importantly, export your invoices. Next, on this page, find the three-dot icon typically located at the upper right corner. This icon is your drop-down menu to access additional options. Click it to reveal more actions you can take concerning your invoices. Among the options, you'll see an export option. Click on Export, and you'll be prompted with a choice. You might see different formats like CSV or PDF depending on your export needs. Choose the format that suits your requirements. Now, to finalize, click on Export Invoices. This action will trigger the process, and your selected invoices will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you may need to specify the download location. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your invoices from Zoho Books 2025. This process is quite user-friendly, but practicing a few times will help you master it. Don't forget, having backups of your invoices can be essential for bookkeeping and financial planning. So make this part of your regular administrative routine. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.